love my stinky smell.
Really? I don't mind your stinky smell.
I came. Alvin. Agree that, Alvin? Hello.
You see my wife there, she loves doing this stuff.
Yeah.
You got to tell them you love doing it, because otherwise they think I'm a slave driver. Even if I were to go out there, she'd say, "Go away, I'm doing this."
Yeah.
She'll tell me go do something else or relax. Yeah, the other day, you know what she said? She said, "I wish I was a big man." I don't.
It's nice to be a man.
No.
I wish I am a man.
I don't want to be gay.
So if I am a man.
They'll probably still love you. No, I don't like sword fighting at night.
We're not married then. Or maybe I married you. Opposite way.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'm the small Asian lady.
Do you like it or not?
Me? I don't know. I don't know.
You're not sure 100%. This means you're not really.
I haven't had much
You
luck.
like me?
I haven't had much luck in this big male body in my life. It's been battered and bruised and beaten and... In my next life, I'm willing to try anything.
It's hotter, but the weather is so...
The wind is cold. Huh?
The wind is not that wind. This morning it's really bad.
Yeah, it's freezing this morning. Yeah. Even me, I put my jacket on inside. We had some... in WA, we're close to the South Pole, and when the wind comes from the south, it gets quite cold here sometimes, freaky cold. Yeah, mostly, it's only sometimes it gets this cold this time of the year. Would have been freezing on the beach. But when we get wind from the east, from the desert side, it gets so hot. So anyway, she's leveling the garden a bit. She wants to continue laying the grass, the artificial grass. We love it. We love the artificial grass. It's just awesome. No mowing, no cleaning. It's just great. You just spray a bit of poison if weeds come through. Yeah, it's just before, when we had lots of grass, so much time and effort wasted in machinery, equipment, and mowing, and whippersnipping, and edging, and sprinkling, and water, and no, nothing. So we'll have the Paruk surrounded by coconuts and grass, and we're going to close that gate because we decided we want more garden. Well, Lynn did anyway.
Alright, see you later.
She'll probably show you when it's all finished.
Yeah.
Have
So
a good
this
day.
is my life in Australia.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And then you can
Bye.
see and listen to more bad English. Bye for now.